Right guys, blue or black pen for your answer and purple pen for your progress steps. Right guys, if you enjoy these videos, please give them a like, please share them with friends from other schools, and please tag me in your solutions at Cross Maths. Again guys, even if you don't complete an answer, still like the video, still share it on. Again, any exposure I can get, the better, because I want to get this to as many people as possible so I can help as many people as possible. Stay tuned this afternoon as well, guys. There's going to be a big announcement regarding something I think is really cool and I've been working on for a while. So this is a question of intermediate and higher T numeracy, okay? It's worth 8 marks, which is 10% of the whole paper on one question alone. Okay, and it's only 4A, so it's not even the full question. 10% can be the difference between a grade quite easily, okay? It could mean you jump up a whole grade, or it could mean you go up part of a grade, which gets you, obviously, and it's off one question, okay? So it's a huge deal. So what we've got is speed, distance, and time. Now, speed, distance, and time, before I even look at this, is denoted by this triangle by here. And if you've done this in physics, you'll know what I'm talking about. Now, these triangles are really useful, okay? The way they work is S is for speed, distance is for distance, D is for distance, and T is for time. Whatever you're trying to find, in the case we're in, we're trying to find what speed is. These triangles SDT are really good because you don't have to remember you're working. You cover, I want to find speed, so I'm going to cover that. Whatever's left is your workings out. So if I'm trying to find speed, I cover that. My working out is distance divided by time. If you were trying to find time, you'd cover that is distance divided by speed. And if you're trying to find distance, you'd cover that is speed times time. So these triangles are really, really good. So we wanted to find speed. Now, we know speed is distance divided by time. We've got a speed for last week, which is 9.6 kilometers per hour. But we haven't got our speed for this week. We just got our distances and our times each day. Now, we're obviously going to need the totals of these, so I wouldn't work out each one individually. That would be a waste of time. You're going to need the total distance and the total time. So I'm going to do that over here. Total distance, okay? If I get on my calculator and add all these up, it is literally as simple as that. Get on my calculator, I got 4.6, 5.4, 2.2, 6.2, 7.2, 2.2, and 3.4. That gives me 31.2 kilometers. Same thing with total time. Total time, if I add all those up, I've got 26 minutes, plus 31 minutes, plus 12 minutes, plus 35, plus 40, plus 14 minutes, plus 22. Is 180 minutes. Now this is important because that's 180 minutes. You can't use that. You've got to use time as hours, because if you look at the units they've given you for her time last week, it's 9.6 kilometers per hour. So I can't do it per minute. So I've got to change this into hours. Obviously 60 minutes in an hour. So that 180 minutes is 3 hours altogether. Once you know these two things, you can work out the speed for this week. I've got 31.2. divided by 3 hours. The speed this week is 10.4 kilometers per hour. Okay, that's this week. Now the difficult bit of this is the last bit of the question. Now, they ask you, can you work out Gwenda's percentage improvement in her average speed this week? Now this is the challenging bit. Okay, percentage improvement, the way it works is you've got to do the difference in percentage divided by the original. And obviously with percentage, we always times by 100. So the difference in percentages, my new percentage is 10.4. Last week was 9.6. All divided by 9.6. And we're going to times that by 100. Altogether, I get 8.3 recurring percentage improvement. Okay, and that's your answer down the bottom, 8.3 3 you can write if you wanted to round it, okay? And that's the whole question done, guys. If you enjoyed these videos, please drop them a like, please share them with friends from other schools, and please tag me in your solutions at Cross Maths. These are easy questions, guys, these numeracy ones. It's important you try them, it's important you get them right, and you learn the basic topics that are normally involved with them.